We've all been there. You're back from a business trip, pockets lighter, spirits, hopefully, higher, and a stack of receipts that feels heavier than your carry-on. The thought of sorting through them, meticulously categorizing each expense, and then submitting them for reimbursement can be, well, a little soul-crushing. You just want your money back, right? To be made whole again after fronting those work-related costs. And then comes the waiting game. You've submitted your report, hit that send button on Expensify, and now you're staring at your bank account, willing the numbers to change. But how long does that waiting game actually last? Is it an overnight miracle, a few days' patience, or are we talking about weeks of anticipation? This isn't just about getting your cash back, it's about cash flow, budgeting, and sometimes, simply knowing when you can finally stop thinking about that ridiculously overpriced airport sandwich. Today, we're diving deep into the Expensify reimbursement timeline. We'll break down the factors that influence how quickly your money returns to your account, from the type of reimbursement to your company's internal processes. Because understanding the mechanics behind the scenes can not only ease your mind but also empower you to potentially speed things up. Let's start with the basics. Expensify primarily facilitates reimbursements via ACH direct deposit. This is the most common and generally the fastest method. For most standard US and global payments, you can expect the funds to land in your account within 4 to 5 business days. This typically breaks down into 2 days for the business account to process the debit and then another 2 to 3 business days for the ACH or wire transfer to reach your personal account. Keep in mind that payments initiated after 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or on weekends and bank holidays will likely experience a slight delay, as processing only truly kicks off on the next business day. Now, for those of you eager for a quicker turnaround, Expensify offers something called rapid reimbursement for eligible payments within the U.S. If your payment qualifies for this, you might see your money in as little as 1 business day. To qualify, the payment generally needs to be under $100 for deposit-only accounts, or for verified business bank accounts. The total disbursements must not exceed $10,000 within a 24-hour period. If your payment exceeds these limits, it will default back to the standard 4 to 5 business day ACH timeframe. But it's not just about Expensify's processing times. Your company's internal workflow plays a massive role. How many layers of approval does your expense report need to go through? Some companies have streamlined processes with minimal approval steps, while others have more complex, multi-level workflows. Each approver adds a potential point of delay, especially if they're out of office or simply have a backlog of reports to review. The quality of your submission also matters. Clear, legible receipts, accurate categorization, and adherence to company policies can significantly speed up the approval process. If your approver has to chase you for missing details or question an expense, that's immediate added time. Another factor is global reimbursements. If you're receiving funds in a different currency or from an international business account, the timeline can vary. Expensify supports reimbursements in over 140 currencies, but the exact time frame will depend on the sending and receiving bank accounts and regions. Generally, payments issued from GBP, Euro, or USD bank accounts are received within 1 to 4 business days. Setting up and verifying international bank accounts can also take a few extra business days initially. Ultimately, while Expensify provides efficient rails for reimbursement, the total time you wait depends on a combination of their processing speeds, your company's unique approval workflow, and the completeness of your expense reports. The best way to ensure a speedy reimbursement is to submit accurate, well-documented reports promptly and understand your company's specific policies. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.